Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at high voltage ACE switchgear, a system that is fundamentally critical for the operation and safety of modern large vessels, particularly cruise ships, LNG carriers, and large container ships that use integrated electrical propulsion. What exactly is HV on a ship? While definitions vary, it generally refers to any voltage exceeding 1000 volts, 1 kilovolts AC, with typical marine systems operating at 3.3 kilovolts, 6.6 kilovolts, or 11 kilovolts. These high voltages are used because they allow for the transmission of large amounts of power with lower current, which means smaller, lighter, and more economical cables can be used. This saves significant weight and space, which is a huge advantage at sea. The HV switchgear is the central hub for this power. It is an organized assembly of circuit breakers, switches, fuses, and associated control and protective equipment that controls, protects, and isolates the electrical equipment. Its three primary functions are control, protection, and isolation. Control involves connecting and disconnecting the main generators, large motors like propulsion motors or large thrusters, and high-capacity feeder circuits. The main switching device in HV switchgear is the circuit breaker. These aren't like the little breakers in your house. Marine HV breakers are often vacuum circuit breakers, VCBs, or air blast circuit breakers that use a rapid vacuum or blast of compressed air to quickly extinguish the massive arc that forms when interrupting a high-voltage, high-current fault. Protection is provided by sophisticated protective relays, like the overcurrent 5051 and differential 87 relays we've discussed before, which detect a fault condition and instantaneously command the circuit breaker to trip, isolating the faulty section before equipment is permanently damaged or a fire starts. Isolation is for safety. It ensures that when maintenance is being performed, the section of the switchgear being worked on is completely and visibly disconnected from all possible power sources, including generator inputs and bus ties. This is achieved using disconnecting switches or isolators, which are opened only after the main circuit breaker has already opened and the circuit is de-energized. Maintaining HV switchgear requires specialized training and strict adherence to safety protocols, including mandatory use of personal protective equipment (PPE) and following a meticulous permit-to-work system. The switchgear is usually contained within a dedicated locked HV room with safety interlocks to prevent unauthorized access. The reliable operation of the HV switchgear is non-negotiable for a modern vessel. It's the nerve center that ensures propulsion and all essential services remain operational, keeping the ship and its crew safe. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.